Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a vintage rose teapot. So I got a blush pink here. This is a combination of ivory and a touch of pink. And this is a piping consistency that I have fitted with the number 2 tip. And I'm just outlining the top of the teapot, so the lid. And I'm flooding it in with a flooding consistency of the same color in a squeeze bottle. And I'll just use my Scribe tool to even everything out. And I'm going to let that lid crust over a little bit. And next I've got a piping consistency white roll icing here. And I'm going to outline the rest of the teapot. This is a number 2 tip. And I've disregarded the handle. So next I'm going to flood this area in with the same color, this time a flooding consistency in a squeeze bottle. And I'll use my Scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. Now while this white is still wet, we're going to do a wet on wet technique to create the roses. So I've got some blush pink, the same color as we used on a lid. This is a flooding consistency, and I'm just creating a bunch of polka dots, and these are going to be the roses. I've also got a darker pink that I'm going to add to these dots, basically a little blob on each side. Doesn't have to be perfect. And now I'll just use my Scribe tool, and I'm going to swirl all of these colors together. So you're going to capture some of the white from the outside, that blush, and that dark pink. And we're just marbling them together. You can go either which way, counterclockwise or clockwise, just to get the look that you're wanting, and just keep swirling until you get that look that you're looking for. And again, while this is still wet, I've got some flooding consistency green here, and I'm putting a dot on each side of each rose, so there's 2 dots, and these will be the leaves. So you take your Scribe tool and just start at the edge of the rose and then pull outwards into that green circle to create a point, and that will be your leaves. Now I'm going to let these dry overnight, and I've got a chocolate brown that I've mixed with vodka, and I'm flicking it at the teapots with my brush and a finger to create a more vintage look. You could totally omit this step if you're looking for a more clean look, but I was going for a very vintage feel. I've also got a stiff consistency white roll icing with a number 2 tip, and I've added a beaded border to the bottom of the teapot lid, and I have a number 14 star tip. This is a very small star tip, and I did a little rosette on the top of the lid, and then I gave it a handle as well, so it looks very decorative and very pretty. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!